Hey yo, it's Bayo Adio, the Nigerian Nomad. You are welcome to the show.
American roots, but Niger.
Hey yo, what's up everybody? This is Bayo Adio. I hope that you guys are doing well. So today we are at Ibadan. And there is this new hot fast food restaurant. I was introduced to this, I just discovered this place 2 weeks ago. And I recently found out that they are opening up a new location in Oniru. And I checked it out and the food was great. So I wanted to take you guys on a journey of the place. And the place is called Item 7 Go. Item 7 Go. I want to take you guys on the experience. So the last thing I tried last time was jollof rice. But I want to try what is so special about the shawarma. And you guys will try it out with me. Have you guys tried Item 7 before? And what is so special about this place, Gong Gong? I don't even know. Why did they become so popular all of a sudden? Anyway, let's go check it out. All right, guys, I am in front of this Item 7 restaurant. Let's check it out. Let's see what the hype is all about. This is their menu. Plates with chicken, plates with beef, plates with fish, croaker fish. And you can get extra plantain. And then they also have shawarma, beef shawarma, chicken shawarma. I like their menu, it's quite basic. So I think we start the order here and then we pick up there. No, I think we start the order there at the cash. We start there, Abby. Thank you. Oh yeah, guys, come, let's order. You guys go ahead and order. I want to get you guys order first. Okay, you're ready, man? Okay. I'll take shawarma. Thank you, man. You're taking order, we order with. Okay. Can I have both mixed? Yeah? No problem. We're ordering together. So beef and chicken shawarma. Next customer. And also rice and croaker fish. There's no croaker fish. Chicken and beef. Okay, I'll take jollof rice and I can do jollof rice and fried rice with chicken. Jollof and fried. Is this jollof and fried? Okay. You can come back. What? So we're getting our numbers, Abby. All these people are waiting for their shawarma, Abby. Say that again, man.
You give them over there for your food. They come back here for your shawarma next time.
Okay. How many shawarma do we have?
One.
Didn't you order shawarma? Thank you. This one is for the 2 shawarma.
Yes, sir.
You put 2 in here. You will know. Okay. All right. So this is the ticket to go pick up your food. Let's come. Well done. Thank you, sir. All right, my brother. Hook us up.
That's a big sound.
So you order and then you come and pick up. What's that side for?
The same thing.
Same thing. Oh, okay. So we can go there to pick up too.
No, the only rider.
Okay, so dispatch riders are over there. For my own, I want chicken lapo. For one of them.
Choice of big.
Beef.
Choice of big. Drink.
Oh, we already ordered drinks.
Yeah.
Oh, three Sprites, 2 water.
3 Sprite, 2 water.
Please put the food in different bags, oh.
3 Sprite, 2 water.
Which one has chicken lap? Okay, this one has the lap. All right, thank you. Oh, for the drinks, okay. Miss Bukun, don't let me lose my shawarma tickets. They said 10 minutes. We'll go back there to pick it.
What about table water?
This one is a Sprite. Thank you, sir. All right, let's go have a seat. So this is where everybody gathers to wait for their shawarma, so we'll wait. All right, so let's see what this looks like. Wow, they packed this thing full. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, this is definitely for the hungry man like me. You know that that fried rice, the African flavored fried rice, where you kind of taste like Edo flavor. That type of original flavor is what I'm getting from this. But I was expecting to see more things in the fried rice, like peas, badusi carrots, but the taste is excellent. Now, it looks like the specialty is the actual jollof rice itself. Oh, yeah. You know that patty, smoky jollof flavor that we all love about Nigeria? What makes Nigerian jollof rice better than Ghana is that distinctive flavor. That's what this is. But luckily for me, the sauce of the chicken went into that last scoop and it gives it that extra tomato sauce flavor. Ah! I think I know what makes these people unique. People know that they can get the exact patty smoky flavor that they're looking for. I think that's what makes this place popular. But the shawarma must be made fresh because every time I come here, although this is my third time, I feel like there's always a long line of people waiting for the shawarma. Now, let's go for the chicken. Chicken is excellent. It's like an oven grilled type chicken or rotisserie type chicken, but they also have fried chicken, which is what I would have preferred. But the tomato sauce, the chicken is excellent. That one, this one you can't screw it up. All right. I just wanted to do a taste test with you guys. I'm gonna gather myself, clean up, find a nice sitting area to go finish this food. But I just wanted to taste it while it's fresh. All right, guys. I'll let you guys know what the shawarma is looking like. Talk to you soon. By the way, if you guys want to come here, this place is off of Ring Road. There's a filling station here. I think it's called Dove. So it's right next to that filling station on Ring Road in Ibadan. So if you guys are in Ibadan and you're looking for a place to check out this place. My only constructive feedback for this restaurant is they need to have a place where people can eat. Whether upstairs, they have all this big space. Maybe a rooftop or an outdoor sitting area, I think would have made this place excellent. So anyway, but other than that, the food is good. The shawarma is here. I want to just know what is it that people are willing to wait for in this shawarma. First impression is neatly wrapped, and I love that it's hot, so you can feel the freshness. Now, I don't know how to open this, but I'm going to assume you open it from the top here. Ooh, it's saucy. I personally do not like overly saucy shawarma, but people love juicy shawarma here, so. Oh, actually, it's not overly saucy. Actually. Hmm. I'm trying to see what's inside, but the sauces cover it up. These are close-up. I do also like that it's not too wide, so you can like easily take a bite of it. I'm gonna start now. Mm. I'm taking time to process the flavors inside. I would say it's decent. Is it the best shawarma I've had? No. Hmm. So I got mixed. The beef is like fried beef, kind of. So I'm having to chew, but at the same time, I think it's good because it gives it a personality. Like it gives it a crunch. I'm trying to see if there's sausage in here. Mm. I finally see the sausage. Mm. Oh, this is crazy. The first bite was okay. The second bite was better. And the third bite was even better. So I think what's happening is that the deeper I go, the more the ingredients is showing up. So now I get to taste the sausage or hot dog with the meat and the cabbage all together now. So, for a Nigerian style shawarma, I'll give it like a 7.58. It's actually very, very, very good. But I have higher ratings because I'm comparing it to the best shawarma I've ever had. So I would say I can see the draw. Like I would come back and order this often if I wanted a shawarma, like a Nigerian style shawarma. I like that the sauce is mixed into the coleslaw or cabbage that they use so that the sauce is not dripping everywhere. It's actually like a thick sauce that's mixed in with the cabbage. Mm. Well done. I think it's good. The fried beef gives it that interesting personality. Because I've never had the fried beef inside shawarma, so I think that's good. But the more you combine it with the sausage and the cabbage that's used, I think it's great. I think it's good. All right, guys, that concludes my tour. Sorry, it was a bit of a messy way of eating. But now I'm going to take the rest and go eat at home. But anyway, I just wanted to introduce you guys to a new restaurant. They literally just are opening up a brand new one for the first time on the island in the Oniru area. So maybe you guys will come and check out and give me your feedback and what you think. Thank you guys so much. And if you've tried these restaurants before, let me know in the comments. Why is it so hype? All right, thank you guys so much. And lastly, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine.
Rediscover Niger, together we will rise. If you remember to rise and let your light shine bright. Oh, remember to rise and let your light shine.